Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? So this is the look I came up with today. I love it. So if you want to learn how to create this look, stick with me and I'm going to give you a guide. As you can see, I have already done this eye off camera. I've popped my eyebrows on as well just to save some time. Next up, I'm going to put the P. Louise base on, and I use the shade 0.5. Right, so this is the palette that we are using today. It's the BPerfect Cosmetics Carnival, but it's the XL Pro palette, so it's the bigger version of the original. So I'll show you the colours inside. Oh, there's a big old mirror. So there's so much choice in this, and you know what? Every pigment is beautiful. They really, really are good. So the first shade I'm going to take is this one here, and it is called Foolish. And this I just want sort of to coat here. I'm just going to use this as like a transition shade. The next shade that I'm going to take is Funky. And that's just going to go in the crease. The next shade up is Influence. Next shade I'm taking is Persuasion, that shade there. I'm just going to pop that in just to darken it up. Yeah, so while we've been in quarantine, we've been trying to keep ourselves busy, which means we've been watching a lot of Netflix. But I feel like now that I've seen everything, so can anyone recommend a really good program that we can sort of sink our teeth into? I've got Sky, Netflix and Amazon Prime, and I'm thinking of trying Disney Plus, but I'm not really sure because I've got all the others. I don't really think I need it, but if you've got it and you think it's really worth it, let me know in the comments down below, because I'll be interested to test it out if it's good. So here is the tricky part. Cotton buds, makeup remover, and what we're going to do is try and blank out all this section here, because if you go over this with the P. Louise base, it is going to go like a milky pink, and I want it to be just flat white. So next you want to take the P. Louise base again, just pop a little bit on the back of your hand, and then all the blank space, you need to cover that with the base. So while that is still tacky, I'm going to take the pigment here called Fantasy, and it is by Peaches and Cream. So it's beautiful, it's got like reflexes in it. I'm going to take it on just a flat brush and start tapping that on, pushing that in. Okay, and now for just the end tip part, I'm going to take a pink and gold glitter. This one is by a company called My Beauty, but I think they've gone into liquidation, so any sort of pink and gold glitter that you might have, that will do. And just take your time and build that glitter up. So now I'm going to take some eyelash glue. I'm going to take this little brush here. It is the Zoeva Fine Liner 315. And I'm going to do an outline. And do a little bit at a time. And I'm going to take another little thin brush. And I'm just going to pat that along it. Okay, so now I'm going to pop some eyeliner on, and this is the NYX Vinyl. I'm going to pop some mascara on. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And today's lashes, I'm going to be using these ones here. They're called Natalie and they're by Tiggy Lashes. So lashes are on. Now it's time to work on the base. So this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And that's what I'm going to be starting with. Okay, so time for foundation. So I use the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and this is in the shade 1N0 Porcelain. Okay, so this is the one that I'm taking for my cream contour, and it is the Revolution Ultra Cream Contour Kit. It looks just like that. And then I like to go over the top of that with a powder contour, and this is the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette. Okay, so for the light concealer, I take this one here, and it is Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the shade Fair. Okay, so I'm just going to go and do the lower lash line. I'm going to go back into the shade Precision. And I'm just going to go and run it along under my eye. And then back into Pep Talk from the palette, lighten it up a little. I'm going to go into the waterline with this NYX eyeliner, and it is called Faux Black. But I'm going to go with my favourite highlighter. This is the Ofra's Nikki Tutorial Collab, and it is the highlighter called Glazed Donut. And next I'm going to do a nude lip. So I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa K, and just in the middle of that I'm going to take the P. Louise Gloss. Right, that's it, completed. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you haven't already done so, please just hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps my channel out a lot, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.